Hello, this is a PSA to tell you not to invoke the user-provided data collection in Google Analytics 4 if you use slide rule analytics or if you use any other implementation method, as it will permanently and irrevocably break your ability to track purchases. We can show you this very quickly. So this is this acknowledgement. It's acknowledged here. And if you acknowledge it, there's no way to unacknowledge it and to prevent this. It is listed as in beta right now by Google Analytics, this user-provided data collection. This is what you do not want to enable. You cannot disable it once it is enabled, and it will break your tracking. Don't enable it. If you have enabled it, the only thing you can do is create a brand new Google Analytics 4 property and start from scratch. So that is the announcement. The rest of it is, the rest of this video, I will demonstrate the issue. So slide rule analytics sends data server side through the measurement protocol. So this is going to get technical here, but we send data server side through the measurement protocol, and we have found that whenever any of our clients enable this user data protection, they just acknowledge it and they turn it on, it will stop tracking purchases. It stops tracking server-side purchases, and it greatly decreases the number of client-side purchases that are tracked as well. We don't know why. We assume that this is because this feature is in beta, but we can demonstrate the issue here. So this is our demo property here. As you can see, it has this measurement ID and this measurement protocol secret here, right? Cool. So this is what the request looks like for a purchase that I'm sending to this property that has this user data collection enabled. And we'll go over to the real-time report. Right? And we can see that it's tracking a bunch of client-side events, no problem, but it will not be able to track this purchase, this server-side purchase event when I fire this event. So I'm going to go ahead and send that request over. We see that we get no errors from Google Analytics 4, but the conversion event doesn't come. Doesn't show up in the real-time report. Conversely, if I go over to a property that doesn't have this enabled, right? So let's refresh the page. Cool. And we'll go to a property that doesn't have this enabled. And I'll show you that. So over here, it's under data collection again, and you'll see here that it has this option to turn it on. This is what I don't want you to do. Don't click that turn on, right? Because as we'll see, it's what breaks purchase tracking. All right. So in this one, we've got the real-time report here, right? And you'll see I fired a Previously, I fired a purchase event to test this. Let's go ahead and send a new request, the exact same request, but we're going to update it to this data stream. So we're going to add this, and we're going to go to the measurement protocol over here, update our measurement protocol secret here, hit save. Cool. All right, so we're sending the exact same request that we tried to send to the previous property that had the user data collection feature enabled, and we saw that it didn't work there, and now we're going to see that it does fire a purchase event here. So let's go ahead and fire this event, and it'll take a minute. We see the exact same response from Google, which is nothing, which is correct, so there's no errors, and we'll give it a minute here, and the purchase event will show. Okay, and after it's processed the event, you can see there that it comes in with that purchase event fires there. So exact same request that we made, and it creates an issue here. The purchase event just doesn't fire. So the takeaway is do not enable this feature. If you do, you're going to have to create a new GA4 property. We haven't seen any other way. We've tried a bunch of different things, turning different things on, sending the request in a different way. None of it works. All of it shows the same issue. So please do not turn on this feature. If you do, if you have turned it on already, which we wouldn't blame you if you did, since Google is unaware of this issue as of right now, then you're just going to have to create a new GA4 property and start from scratch for this, unfortunately. There's just nothing we can do about that we've seen right now. So our recommendation is, if you have turned this on, leave your old property as is, keep it connected to slide rule analytics, and create a new property from scratch, and don't enable the user data collection on the new property. Leave the old property as is in case Google does actually resolve this issue in a timely manner. You'll still have that historical data in the old property, and it'll start collecting new data. But we have this bug filed with Google. We'll see if they fix it, and we'll let you know if and when they do. Thank you.